MrBeast, known famously for making the craziest videos on YouTube and whose current net worth stands at a whopping $105 million. So in this video, let's dive into the past of MrBeast to break down how he made his first $1 million. This breakdown will be divided into three main stages. The first one is the stage of gaming. At first, he started his channel as a gaming channel where he would upload lots of gaming videos regularly, and also he used to get some decent amount of views. As the time passed, he started gaining a few subscribers, but then he knew that it wouldn't work in the long run. So he began running the second stage, which is the stage of Grandjacking. At that time, PewDiePie was the most subscribed person on YouTube, and also MrBeast was a huge fan of PewDiePie. So he took this golden opportunity and made a video on how much money does PewDiePie make. This video quickly gained in views and subscribers, so he continued the Grandjacking method and made videos on other famous people at that time. He made videos on himself and on Captain Sparkles, Penguin Zero, and again on PewDiePie. This method seemed to work pretty good for him, so he started making more videos, and in the meantime he also started making tutorial videos which did not seem to work, but still he made them to keep his subscribers engaged. In the beginning he wanted to become a full-time gamer, but things changed for him when he realized that there was something more bigger and better to work on that could make his YouTube channel blow up. And that's where the stage 3 began. The stage of reality. He started making videos on real life where he would destroy things and also went crazy so as to count till the number 100,000. Soon his content started blowing up and people began watching his channel and subscribing him. Then his actual journey to make his first $1 million had begun. Later on, he started getting more sponsorships and more donations from his viewers, and his revenue started to skyrocket. But MrBeast had a secret stage under his sleeve, which was the stage of giving away. In this stage, MrBeast realized that his videos would reach a very high level if he started giving away happiness to his viewers. He started uploading videos in which he would give money to strangers and say nothing, and he also made his friend take on some crazy challenges to win huge amount of money. This was the most important stage which kept his channel in the growing phase, and because of which his current net worth is $105 million according to Google, which I believe is a lot less than his actual net worth. So this was the breakdown of how MrBeast made his first $1 million and used the same to grow bigger. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, then subscribe for more.